Hello guys, so I'm gonna share with you a strategy that instead of affiliate link you're gonna put in your WordPress blog, you can do this because this is more flexible. So as you can see, we will have the example using this site, which we created like a few days ago. It's all about Exoplanet. Okay, so this blog was created using an AI, which is, this one, Article AI Generator. Here, I'm gonna use the unlimited version of Article AI Generator using, if you want to use your own API key. So this is very convenient and, cost effective if you are a heavy user, because you can have all the functionality right here, even the humanization, humanitizing the content, which costs, a bit of credit, but of course it's unlimited because you are using the actual API of how we humanize the content of it, okay, from an AI generated article, which adds more value to your article. So going back to our topic right here, so as I mentioned, what you can do, for example, one of the article right here, so very common, we add affiliate links in every article, okay, and assuming people visited our article and read about them, so people will click on our affiliate link and potentially buy the product. So in this case, we will be doing a different approach. So here, let me add first some more articles before we proceed. So here in Google Keyword Planner, so one of the most effective way to find keywords, so I'm gonna add more a few topics to this existing blog. So since our blog is about exoplanet, so I'm just gonna put exoplanet right here, and let's see any interesting keyword that we can add right here. For example, web telescope exoplanets. Okay, so here, for example, this keyword we can put like best web telescope for exoplanet, things like that. Okay, like benefits of using web telescope exoplanet. So we will do that. So let's copy that and just paste it right here, and we're gonna get one more. For example, 500 worlds outside solar system. So this is again an interesting blog topic that we can do. Okay, so we will just quickly generate this one using our unlimited version of Article AI Generator, because I'm a heavy user, so I'm gonna use that. So here, what we can do is I just add like that, so it will make more sense. This one we keep it as it is. And yeah, so just generate the medium length. And for now, I'm just gonna keep the featured image no, auto post yes, and then add that to my blog right there, and select my blog right here, which is the Exoplanet Savvy, and then generate the articles. So let's just wait for some time. Okay, so while waiting for this to get completed, I'm gonna show you right here the form that we will be adding in all our articles right here. So I found a simple form which we can insert in every article we have in a website, which is more effective than inserting an affiliate link. Why? Because it's more flexible. Once you collect email list, you have flexibility to offer any type of your product. For example, in my case, exoplanet. So either one in first week I can offer a web telescope. In the second week I can email them a free let's say webinar or tutorial or video about exoplanet and things like that. So yeah, it can be any. Okay, so here we will be using, I already showed this in my past video, which the complete tutorial of integrating this code, because this code right here, what will happen once they click this subscribe, the email or the information, the details that they put here will be added directly in this free email subscription list, which we can use for free. Okay, so right here, as you can see, I added new contact list called Exoplanet. So whenever that's whenever someone subscribe here, we don't have to manually put that here in our contact list. Instead, it will be added here. And here, using this app, you can easily create email campaigns right here. Okay, you can integrate your newsletter or any type of product you want to offer to your contact list. So here, I'm gonna teach you a simple way how you can integrate this to each of this article right here. So we'll start on that one now. So here, going to our dashboard, we have this add inserter plugins, which we are going to use. Make sure you click this PHP right there, and this code that we are going to use, this code is available here. In this page right here, you can download it from here, this Brevo script.txt. You can grab that. It's in the link in the description below if you want to use that. And here, just watch this carefully, because the form that we integrated here is very simple. And we want to have more attractive form like this, which we are going to put. So first, we copy the CSS. Okay, and then come here, come up to your dashboard. And here in the theme configuration, click this customize. Right here, in additional CSS, we just paste that right here, okay? So that our blog will absorb this CSS once we apply the form. So just publish that right there, and then it's done. So now here in the blog, what you can do is come to this script right here, select all, and then paste that right here, okay? Now here in Breville, this contact list ID is 4, okay? So we just need to change this script based on the ID right here. Okay, so go back to this one. As you can see right here, there will be an contact list here. We will change it to 4. So every time a person subscribed to the list will be added here in a separate list that we created for this website, Exoplanet, right there. Okay, now we save that. We save this with make sure you take this PHP, so it will appear as PHP, and it will process this script. Okay, now in the configuration right here, we make that appear in our paragraph. Okay, for example, before content. Okay, let's now first make it before content. So save that. Okay, save that settings, and if we check one of our article right here, so let's just refresh this, and we scroll down, we've got this simple form right here, which they can subscribe, and the details of the person who subscribed will be added directly here. But this form, it's quite a bit ugly, which we want to make it more jazzy. Okay, so what we need to do is apply this form from CodePen. Now we select this HTML. Remember, we have added this in this CSS in the theme additional CSS. Now we copied this, and going back to the add inserter, we just need to replace this form right here. So we just replace that. So as you can see, it's exactly the same name of the input and same name of the email and your name. Make sure that it's both same. Anyway, I'll be putting the this code in the link below so that you can grab that as well. You can easily grab that and modify these as you need. Now, let's see right here. Let's see right here now how it appears. Let's save this modified form, and it should have the applied CSS in the form right here. So just click on refresh. Look at that. Okay, now it appears a little bit, decent. So we just need to do a bit adjustment in order for this to accommodate some spaces here. So let's just go back to this CSS right here. So the form width is 380. So we may want to increase that to 200 more pixels, and then let's see if there is a size of the actual text box right here. I don't see it at the moment. So let's just publish and refresh how it looks like now. So as you can see, it's adjusting. So it's looking great now compared to our just plain, plain form. Okay, and just for example, we will put like say person test, and my email is person@gmail.com. Now let's see if it will be added in our list directly. Okay, so now let's do subscribe. Okay, now as you can see, it replaces the form with a thank you message, which we can also format. So make that a little bit nicer right here. So you can do that yourself if you want. So add more color or increase the size and make it, just to make it, make it center. For example, you can do style like that, and text align to center. Okay, and you can increase the size a little bit, so you can save that. Okay, now let's see whether the details have been saved successfully here. We just refresh the form right there. So guys, just a reminder, make sure you replace this with your own API key that you can get from here in Breville application. You just need to go to your API settings. Earlier, I did not change, so the person that we add did not add successfully. So we just update the API key right here. Make sure, because the code that I will be providing will not have this API key, because you need to grab your own API key. So just paste that and again, save it. Okay, now let's try adding a contact detail once more. So here, person test, and then person test@gmail.com. So we click on subscribe. Okay, and here, thank you. As you can see, it's now centered. And going back here to the list, as you can see, Exoplanet now have one contact right there. And when we click that, you can see person test@gmail.com. It's been saved successfully. But when we click that the detail of the person, you can see the first name and the last name right there. It's also saved correctly. Now, for example, you want to send a campaign, an email campaign, or whatever product you want to promote. You just simply take this campaign right there, and click create campaign. And here you can have a welcome message, website event, or anything related to the email that you want to send. So here you can just click email if you want to just simply send an email to your subscriber, and here create an email campaign right there. So for example, this is welcome to my site. Okay, and then you create campaign right there. And here, you will need to add this recipients, which is, for example, you are emailing your subscriber from the website Exoplanet, which, you have your mailing list Exoplanet. So, for example, the subject is all about, related to the website, which is Exoplanet. So you just save that right there. So here you have 300 emails for free that you can send daily. So if more than that, you can just upgrade. But while you have a small list, you can use this free because you will have 300 email for free. You can use daily. Okay. Now you can add subject. You can say welcome to Exoplanet Savvy, things like that, and hello. So you can do that and you save that. And yeah, you can design it yourself. And then here, this start designing is the actual content. If you want the just the plain one or whatever, like for example, this one, start from scratch or simple. So let's use this simple campaign. Okay, and yeah, so this is the message that you can change. You can simply change. So dear customer, so welcome to my website right here. Welcome, and hopefully you enjoy the articles. So things like that. Okay, and you can save that and then send that email or whatever. Now, okay, as long as you have your correct email list configured here, and then you have this code correctly configured in your WordPress website. Again, you can always download that from here. I'm gonna put the link in the description below, so you download that. And also this one, the design version of the form, I'm gonna put that in the description below. And yeah, so you can configure to appear your form anywhere in your article. So for this one, we configure it to appear in, before content. So you can just modify this one to change that. Like for example, let's see what options we have. This after paragraph. So here we can say every 4 paragraph you want that form to appear. Let's save that and let's see. So you can see right here. So after 4th paragraph, this newsletter form is appearing right there. So your visitor won't miss, if they want to subscribe to your newsletter right there. And, you have the opportunity to offer them whatever product you have in mind, okay? Instead of just having a simple affiliate link, okay? And in this way, you can also have a confidential way of not showing, not exposing what type of product you are offering in your website. You don't get any competition, okay? And yeah, it's a good way to collect your email list. And I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And if you do, please hit the like button. Thank you.